Well, look who's here. Oh my gosh, a mean girl. Hello po, I'm Alisa and I've been wanting to talk to someone who's mean. My name is Sophia. But what? Tapos alam niyo po ba kapag masama na yung mga sinasabi mo sa akin, some Prince Charming will step into our conversation tapos hihilahin niya ako and then poprotektahan niya ako from you. Tapos kapag malayo na kami, bigla siyang titigil tapos he will cup both of my cheeks and then ask me if I'm okay. Tapos ako naman, maiiyak kasi yung yung actions niya sobrang genuine and sweet. Ano ba yung mga pagsasabi mo? Ay, sorry, na-addict kasi ako sa Wattpad this past few weeks kaya my imagination is my limit. Wait, alam mo yung Wattpad? Oo naman, nirecommend sa akin yun ng friend ko. Girl, I love Wattpad. I don't know why, but scrolling through Wattpad at 2 a.m. just hits different. I mean, nakahiga ka sa kama, tahimik yung kwarto, tapos feeling mo nandun ka sa loob ng story na binabasa mo. Kakatapos ko lang basahin tong story nito wherein the mean girl turned into a kind girl, tapos tumutulong na siya sa mga ibang tao. I feel like I'm portraying that character. Seryoso ba yan? Oh my gosh, alam mo ba, ang tagal ko nang naghahanap ng someone with the same interest as me. Pwede ka ba mag-recommend ng mga stories na tearjerker, comedies, tapos yung mga stories na may vibes? I got you. Nag-customize ako ng reading list for easier access. I have 8 there. His Into Her Season 1, Knock Knock Professor, Haunted, The Playboy's Karma, In the Wilderness, Solandi's Flame of Desire, Never Let Me Go, and Night of Waterfalls. Sabi Sofia, hulog ka yata ng langit.